How's it going, YouTube? Wanted to talk to you guys today about a knife I've been carrying for about, probably about 6 months now. Got right before Christmas. Probably about October, November, somewhere in there. So it's the Opinel number 8. It's the carbon version. I also have the stainless version. The carbon one I usually keep for bushcraft, things like that. That way it's easier to sharpen and I can throw sparks off the spine. But I'm gonna get everything set up, walk you through it, show you how it works. I'm really impressed with it. I didn't think I'd like it as much as I did. I thought it would be one of those, hey, that's cool, but end up giving it to somebody. But I really like it. Is it going to be my main knife? No, but it is definitely a solid second. The reason it's not my main knife is because it is a folding knife. So this is my food knife, little small woodworking knife, not my beat the crap out of it knife. Usually my beat the crap out of it knife is a Mora because they're cheap and they take a lot of abuse. So I'm gonna get everything set up, walk you through this little guy, and show you what I like about it and some things that I don't. But overall, definitely a keeper. So we get everything set up on this stump and go from there. Okay, so overall, this is a very nice knife for what I use it for what it's intended for. It's a carving knife, woodworking knife, things like that. You're not going to be able to baton it. You can, but it is a folding knife, so there's your limitation there. I really like how it closes because it has a twist lock. You spin this, it won't open. You spin it the other way, has a nice thumb catch. Like I said, it's carbon, so this one's starting to get a patina on it. And whenever you open it, you have to twist it back. Locks it in place, you're good to go. Pretty well balanced, I think. Has a nice size handle. I'm not no Shrek size dude, but I'm not little either. So, nice handle. Got about a 4-inch blade on it. Really, really super sharp. You can take shavings off your fingernail really easy. I think you can see it. Focus, come on. Alright, there you go. And one of my favorite things about it, I didn't have to grind this down or anything like I usually do with the Moras I buy, because I'm a cheapo, so I'm going to buy the cheap knives and modify them if I have to, is it really throws some good sparks off of a ferro rod. Let me switch over here so you can see better. So if you can't start a fire with that, you definitely need to change your tinder and stuff like that. Holds up great. I haven't had to resharpen the spine. I touch up the blade every once in a while like everybody should. Now, the downsides to this knife. If you aren't careful and you're like me and close it up and that's it. I have had it open up my pocket, but like I said, it's nothing against the knife. That's my fault. And on my stainless one, when I open it and lock it, the blade does have some play. This, on the carbon version I have, there's no play. So it's a folding knife. There's always going to be play, so I'm not knocking it there, really. I'm just telling people what's up. But overall, would I buy again? Absolutely, in a heartbeat. For what you pay for this and what I use it for, it's absolutely perfect. Sorry if I'm bleh. But I really like it. Solid knife, solid for bushcraft, everyday carry. Has a nice size to the blade. It's thin in profile, so you can fillet fish with it. I have done that, but it's beefy enough that you can do some woodworking with it. Would I baton it? No. I would use another knife for that, or I actually carry a little hatchet if I know I'm going to be splitting wood. So overall, awesome knife. Everything I use, I'm going to put a link down, start putting links down in descriptions for it. So give me a thumbs up and a like. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I didn't bore you too much. And have a good day. See you in the woods. Thanks for coming on my adventures with me.